What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for making it Chrisamz one more time for your property tours and update. And guys, today we're standing right here on the grounds of Chester Creek, and I just come to give you guys a quick update on this development. All right, so I did make a call, no answer though. However, I still went ahead and sent an email requesting some information for you guys. And the good news for today is that units are still available. All right, they said not much is available. I did not get a specific number, but just in case you are interested in getting a property at Chester Creek, where you can get your 2-bed, 2.5 bath townhouse, guys, it is here available for you. All right, so if you are interested, units are still available. It's just a handful or just a few, but if you want it, the information is down below in the description. You can make a phone call, you can send an email requesting the necessary information and documents. They will guide you through the process and you can get one of these units. But we are here today pretty much to just give you a drone shot of what's happening. Roof is going on the unit, windows are installed. This was never the case when we came here the last time. So here what? I'm going to give you the drone shot right now so you can see all the changes that took place since we last came here. Remember, for those who are asking where this development is, we did do a video driving to this property. All right, so when the open house is ready, if we are allowed to, I'll definitely give you guys a shot of the inside of the property. But for now, please to enjoy this drone shot. Remember, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. All right, remember guys, please turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss out on the updates. So with no more delay and no more talking, here's the drone shot. Hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. All right, guys, so that's the update for today. We've shown you guys what's happening on the grounds. You can see the improvement in the development. Hope you can appreciate all of that. Information to make contact with the developers, it's down in the description. Don't hesitate. Not a lot of units are left in this phase, but you know it go already. Early bird catch the worm. Now we have a chance to catch one of these units. So do what you need to. Remember, if you have additional information that you wish to share, you can do so down in the comment section. As myself as well as our other fellow subscribers really appreciate when you guys share the information. But guys, thank you so much for making it Chrisamz. We try our best to give you the updates as they are available. And if we don't have the information to give, we still give it a drone shot because at least I can see what is happening. So take care, guys. We'll catch you in another video at another property. And it's peace out from Chrisamz. Bless upon yourself.